Now we will see the next part of a plant, that is the leaf, and why leaf is very important. So actually leaf is a singular, so we will use the word leaves. So leaves, okay, so leaves are very important as they make the food for plant. Now see here student, so this is the one leaf, and in this picture you can see the different parts of a leaf. So this is the main vein, or we can call the midrib, which is present at the middle of the leaf and which can make the two equal parts. Okay, if you cut from the middle or midrib, you can get the two equal parts of a leaf. Now you can see next part, that is the side vein. Okay, this is the midrib. Okay, and from midrib you can see there are small veins arises from midrib. So these are the side veins. Okay, and these side veins are useful to carry the water. Okay, from midrib towards the end of the leaf. And next one, this one is the leaf blade. So this one is the this complete green structure, that is called the lamina. Okay, that is called the lamina, this flat green structure. So now we will see about the parts of leaf. The leaf is an important part of the shoot system, and different plants have leaves of different shapes and sizes, as we know. So different parts, some plants have small leaves, some plants have big leaves. Do you know the banana plant? Banana plant has a big leaf, yes or no? So some plants have the small, like a neem, small leaves are there. Then such type of plants are there. Okay, so some plants have big leaves, some plants have small leaves. Then most plants have green leaves. Whatever plants are there, okay, these plants have small leaves or big leaves, but all these plants have green color leaves. So what is the reason behind it? So why these plants have green color leaves? Because there is a pigment present in these leaves. And what is the pigment? Pigment means that is the color, okay, which gives a color. So the pigment, that is the chlorophyll pigment present in these leaves, and because of that pigment all leaves are green in color. That is why. And why? What is the use of this green color? Okay, so you see most of the plants have green color leaves, and these green color leaves are very important in photosynthesis process. So in photosynthesis process, these green colored plants use the chlorophyll pigment and absorb the sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to make their own food. Okay. Next thing you can see, a leaf has a flat broad part called the leaf blade. So this is the flat leaf, okay, leaf blade, and each leaf has a main vein in the middle. Whatever the leaf are there, so that each leaf has the main lining at the middle, that is called the midrib. There are many side veins coming from the mid vein. So this is the mid vein, and there are many small veins coming from the main vein, that is the mid vein, midrib, and the veins and these side veins bring the water to the leaf. Okay, the leaf blade has many tiny holes on its surface, on whatever this leaf is there. Okay, so whatever these leaves are there, or you can consider the leaf. So if you consider the leaf, so leaf has two surfaces, upper surface and lower surface. So if you touch the leaf, so you can feel the upper surface is very soft and lower surface is hard. And this lower surface is hard because at the lower surface these small tiny pores are present, and these small tiny pores are called stomata, and these stomatas are helpful for the breathing. Okay. The stomata throw out extra water. Plants breathe air in and out through the stomata. So this is the function of stomata. Okay, what is the main function of stomata? Plants breathe air in and out through these stomata. So stomata helpful in breathing. Okay, taking in air and giving out air. Okay. Next one, the green plant leaves make food for the plant. Therefore, the leaf is food factory of the plant, or it is called the kitchen of the plant. So, by the process of photosynthesis, these leaves make their own food and is stored. Now, here we can make the one chemical reaction which is already given in your textbook. So, what is the chemical reaction of photosynthesis? So, I will show you the chemical reaction of photosynthesis. What happens? So this is the one chemical equation or reaction of photosynthesis. And after that, we will see the functions of leaf. Now you see that this is the chemical reaction. So what happens during the photosynthesis process? So during the photosynthesis process, leaves use the carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So this is carbon dioxide plus water and sunlight in presence of chlorophyll pigment. And what is the product? So by this process, leaves prepare the food in the form of starch, and this is the oxygen. So oxygen gas is released, and that gas utilized by the human beings or animals. So this is the photosynthesis process, which is very important for us, because plants are making food for themselves, but they are giving oxygen to living beings. Okay. Same way, living beings use the oxygen to survive and give out the carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is utilized by the plants. Okay, students. Now we will talk about the functions of leaves. So first function, the leaves make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. First function, leaves make food for the plant. Second one, the leaves get rid of excess of water from the plant, that is called the transpiration. Continuously root system of plant absorb the water, but extra water sent out of the plant through the process of transpiration with the help of leaves. Okay. The leaves carry out the process respiration in plants. Third function, leaves carry out the respiration, okay, in plants. So these are the main functions of the leaves. I hope you understood the parts of leaf and the different functions of leaves. So this way you can prepare at home the different functions. And one more, this is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. You can write and prepare at home.